Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install VirtualBox. So this will be what you use to run your Kali, and you also want to get the extension for that as well. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is Google VirtualBox and click downloads. It's virtualbox.org. So you can get it for Windows, Mac, Linux or Solaris. I'm going to go for Windows. And then what you also want to do is download the extension pack. Okay. And you got to make sure that virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. Now it does mess up my recording when I restart the computer, so I'm not going to go very far into the process. But what you want to do is you want to go to your settings, scroll down into update and security, and then click recovery, and then advanced startup. You want to click restart now. And I'll put the rest of the instructions in the description down below. And what you want to do is access your BIOS and make sure that virtualization is enabled. Another easy way to access your BIOS is when you restart your computer, the first screen to pop up, you can quickly press F2. On some computers it's F10, and that'll take you straight into the BIOS. Your download is complete. You want to open that up. Next, next, next. Yes, install. So this is VirtualBox 6.1.30. Okay, you can start that up. Now it should ask you if you want to download and install the extension pack. But anyway, we can go ahead and open ours up. And it says I've got it. I'm just going to click reinstall. Scroll down. I agree. Okay. Cool. Extension pack installed successfully. Perfect.